said, this is camera, this is record, and then you gotta press it.
I did that.
No, you didn't. You gotta press the red button.
Last time I did it right.
Sit down here.
Kim does not know how to work her phone.
I did it the other day. It worked.
It is stop. Look. I can't do it. Press it. I think it's still not. No, it's not recording no more. Hit the back button. Back to it. Oh, that's your picture. Switch to video. I don't know what happened. I don't know.
See these pictures.
I was just at your video. Those were your video.
That's the video. But some of the other ones, like, this is a picture.
Man, let's get drums, y'all. Man.
This, I don't know.
Something about the drums, boy.
Can you delete that, please?
I haven't decided what to do with it.
No, that picture. That. You can't even see anything. Delete it.
Not from memory, it just didn't turn out.
No, delete that. That.
It's hurtful.
No. That would not sell.
Art is not about selling.
I just.
I actually don't know. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Exactly.
It almost looks like a rainy day. I think it's cute.
You know, there's a notion that when you can't breathe, nothing else matters. We'll say that again. I think that's as far on listening ears and not deaf ears. When you can't breathe, nothing else matters. That's just the reality. When your breath has stopped, you have stopped.
I can definitely agree
Game's
now.
over.
I know.
And one of the work that I've been doing along with Shalom Duka, myself, Brother Kwame, Brother Triple Black, Oscar, and Jacob, we have engaged in a work with the Respiratory Health Association of Chicago around clean indoor air and secondhand smoke. And Brother Kwame is going to come because we got some gifts we want to give away.
That might be.
But also, we want to acknowledge one of our partners in Liberation. Some of you have seen a piece that we've done for the last 2 years called Afroflow. Afroflow. How many of you been to the Afroflow concert? Okay, all right. Well, that is a partnership that we work in collaboration with the American Cancer Society. Now, let me just say this. There are some folks who say you don't need to engage with major institutions. But I'm here to tell you, one of the largest volunteer organizations in the country is the American Cancer Society. They do a lot of work around cancer research. But a lot of times, we may squawk or we may fight or get bitter about, we ain't getting none of that. But you can't get none of it if you ain't sitting at the table. I mean, nobody clapping about